Welcome to this video on the Prism of Sensemaking, which discusses governing the psychological and managerial dynamics of generative AI. The generative AI transition is bounded by psychology, not technology. The managerial environment acts as a prism on the raw beam of AI technology. Low-trust cultures scatter the beam into fear and burnout, while high-trust cultures focus it on empowerment and augmentation. We see a paradox of AI exposure, where familiarity can breed anxiety. Contrary to experiential learning theory, direct experience with AI generates sustained interpretive ambiguity rather than mechanical reassurance for workers. Generative AI contains both automation and augmentation simultaneously, creating a persistent interpretive crisis. The technology itself cannot answer which it is, but the organization must. Unmanaged displacement fear triggers an organizational doom loop, starting with interpretive ambiguity and leading to defensive behaviors, degraded outcomes, and organizational strain. This results in increased burnout and turnover intent. High-quality management acts as a structural shock absorber. High-quality environments absorb the shock of technological change, associating with significantly lower odds of reporting displacement risk. 5 evidence-based pillars can shift the organizational prism. These pillars include transparent sense-giving, psychological safety and procedural justice, respect and well-being support, connectedness to culture and mission, and feedback and skill-building pathways. Pillars 1 and 2 focus on framing intent and securing psychological safety. Sense-giving defines purpose and role evolution actively. Psychological safety enables learning behaviors without fear of retribution. Anchoring disruption in organizational well-being and cultural mission involves individual and collective anchors. Respect and well-being reduce displacement fear. A shared fate, connected to culture and mission, reduces threat perception. Replacing anxiety with explicit skill-building pathways is key. This includes role-specific workflow alterations, sandbox practice for error analysis, peer mentorship, and certification for AI complementary capabilities. The psychological contract requires a fundamental recalibration. The core promise shifts from job security to long-term employability and portable skills. The exchange becomes reciprocal investment, and communication requires transparent mapping of skill changes. AI governance must move from top-down mandates to distributed sensemaking. Top-down mandates can lead to resistance and fear. Distributed sensemaking involves iterative rollout and a cross-functional AI council. Redefining competence elevates human judgment above task execution. Distinctively human contributions include critical evaluation, ethical reasoning, relationship building, trust, contextual exception handling, and novel creative synthesis. Management quality is not the environment, it is the adoption technology itself. The organizational AI resilience flywheel centers around accelerated, safe AI ROI through transparent sense-giving, psychological safety, honest AI feedback, and redefined meaningful work. The ultimate competitive advantage in technical deployment is human-centric governance. Organizations that invest in managerial infrastructure reap not only immediate productivity gains, but also the sustained adaptability required for future technological changes.